How to share Canva design in WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to share a Canva design on WhatsApp. So now without further ado, let's get started. So open your browser and go to canva.com, and here navigate to the design that you want to share. In my case, I'll be using the first one at the top under the recent design tabs. Now click on the three dots icon as shown in the screen, and from the drop down menu simply tap on the option labeled as copy link, and a pop-up menu will appear. From there simply change the collaboration link to the anyone with the link, and once you're done with that simply tap on copy link, and once you have copied it you can simply open WhatsApp and go to the chat where you want to share the design, and after that you can simply paste the link and press enter, and your Canva design is shared on WhatsApp. That's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.